Hello everyone, this is Mukunthan Ragavan, and today we are going to see the main topic in LangChain, which is chain itself. For simple problems, we can directly use the LLM, whereas if the problem is very complex, or let's say if you want to use the multiple LLMs based on the different requirements, that time you will be using the chain object. So what is chain? How to use that? Let's go to the diagram to understand further. A simple chain will be the chain where it will require LLM and the prompt template. LLM can be anything, which can be even the paid version or it can be the free version. And prompt template already we have seen. This will be the template prompt where you will be giving the inputs. When you run the chain, you will be giving the inputs for the prompt template. Then it will be giving the response. Simple as it is. This is a very simple block of chain. This input will be required or this concept will be required when you go for the complex chains, such as a simple sequential chain. As part of this video, we will try to mimic the same thing, which is the simple chain in coding perspective. Let's go to the LLM chain. First three statements would be the import statement. The first one will be the prompt template. Second one will be the GPT for all, which will be having the LLMs. Basically, by using the GPT for all, we are getting one of the LLM. And third one will be the actual chain object where we are going to create the LLM chain. Obviously, the line number 7, which will be getting the locally saved LLM, which is Falcon in our site. And second one, we are getting the LLM Falcon object based on the GPT for all. We are giving the local path for the Falcon and we are telling verbose as false. Now we have the LLM. The second part as per the diagram would be the prompt template. Now we are creating the prompt template by mentioning explain input in 10 sentences where input is the input variable itself. And we have mentioned inside the input variables list. Now we have the LLM, we have the prompt template. Next one would be the LLM chain object. Here you can mention LLM chain, which already we have imported. Then we are giving the two inputs, which is LLM and the prompt template. Now we are naming as a parachain. Now we are running the parachain by using the .run method. Now I am giving the metaverse and this entire chain will run and give the output and it will be saved inside the parachain response. We are going to print it. When you run the line number 15, what would happen? Metaverse will be given to the chain and chain has been constructed by using the prompt template. So this metaverse will be passed to the prompt template. Then explain metaverse in 10 sentences will be your prompt. Now prompt is ready. This prompt will be given to the LLM, which is Falcon in our case. Now Falcon will be getting the prompt and giving the response. That will be the output for our total code execution. Let's execute and see the output. It's loading the Falcon model since it's from local. After a few seconds, you got the output, which is Metaverse is a virtual world that exists within the internet, where users can interact with each other with digital objects using avatars. It allows for immersive experiences and collaboration between people from all over the world. So this is the 3 sentence is explained about the Metaverse. So from this, we clearly understood. One more time, we will recap. For simple chain, you will be having a chain object, which will be requiring the LLM and prompt template. LLM is totally independent. You can use any LLM. Prompt template, again, you will be creating your prompt template with the required inputs. Once you create the chain object, you will be running the chain object by using the run method by passing all the inputs which are required for the prompt template. When you run it, you will be getting the output. That will be the simple output from your LLM. So this is all about this video, which explains how to create a simple chain. Thanks everyone, and always be a rainbow in others' cloud.